Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with them Soapy Stories, and today we're talking about Generation the Legacy. Well guys, I don't know whether should I start with the good or bad news. The good news is Tau Mogale and Karabo Moroka are coming back to SABC 1 Soapy Generation the Legacy to pay their last respect to MAZWI Moroka. The bad news guys, MAZWI is leaving a generation the legacy after so many years edlala kuyo. MAZWI guys wayengomunye wabantu abafika nale generation entsha, and yeah guys, he's been very faithful to the show, but his character will be killed off this coming month, April. It appears that MAZWI will get killed by Abby when he drops off a ransom money for his kidnapped cousin Paul Moroka. Well guys, on the 5th of April, a dark plan is set in motion to end a man's life. Then on the 11th, it reads, has MAZWI pushed the kidnapper too far? And on the 17th, everyone is on edge about a ransom or drop off. On the 18th, panic stations at the Moroka house when MAZWI is nowhere to be found. Viewers will get to see MAZWI's auntie Karabo Moroka and her husband Tau Mogale on the 25th of April 2023. Matthias also reveals that his ex-girlfriend Tracy and Uncle Kabisi will fall apart. A dark cloud hangs over the Moroka as they prepare to lay their son to rest. Kabisi can't hold his pose anymore and breaks down. Shock and horror when a drunken Tracy causes a scene. So yeah guys, this is the end of MAZWI Moroka on Generation the Legacy. What is more painful guys is that we were hoping that he'll be able to have the child of his own since he was on the treatment, but unfortunately his life was short-lived. Well guys, farewell to him. We really enjoy his craft over the years. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. What is your take on this storyline siga MAZWI Asia generation, and what is your take Karabo Moroka and Tau Mogale? I love you. Bye.